welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first we got two ways how we can do that. And first you can use your volume buttons here on the right side of your device. So press one from the volume buttons and you can see that our ringtone is muted. And just to unmute that, you can just tap here once on this switcher to unmute, and that will be on vibration, I think. And you can just press and hold your up volume button, and as can you see, we just unmute our ringtone by this way. Also you can do it with your finger, just to swipe this white dot to the left side, or sorry, to the right side to unmute your ringtone. And the third way, you just can go into the settings application, tap here on the sound settings, and here as can you see, we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute your ringtone, swipe this dot to the right side. And as can you see here, we just set up our ringtone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.